Okay, today we are going to do something with sausage. I love sausage, guy, and sausage and pasta, it's a killer. It's so good. So today we're gonna have a sausage pasta with leeks and saffron and a touch of cream on pappardelle. All right, let's go. The ingredients today that we're gonna do are sausage, nice fresh sausage, leeks, a little bit of heavy cream, Parmigiano Reggiano, of course. We're gonna use some olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, really good one. Some white wine, okay, to saute. Saffron, fresh saffron, all right. Saffron is herbs from usually from Spain, and it gives a lot of flavor, a lot of aroma to the food. I'm gonna cut the leeks thinly, and I'm gonna remove from the dirt, so a little bit of running water, so to let all the sand that is between, remove all the sands basically, you know, and you can just take, you see, all this sand here needs to be removed. Okay, let's put the leeks here for now. We're gonna take our sausage. All right, so beautiful. There we go. Break the sausage. You know. Olive oil. All right. Leeks o porro, that's how we call it in Italian, like my friend porro. The porro, my mom makes the best risotto al porro you can ever imagine. La grande nonna Ampeglia. She makes the best porro risotto in the world. You're gonna love this pasta that I'm making right now for you. All right, that's the saffron. Just put a little, ooh la la, this is a lot of saffron, mucho dinero. Color of the water, it's gonna be great. Look at this, wonderful. Okay, let's put la salsiccia, la salsichon, the sausage. You know, I love sausage in pasta. My God, I love the flavor so much. Add some black pepper, a little bit, as much as you like. Now we're gonna deglaze the whole thing with some white wine. And clean the pan, you see? The wine will clean the pan again and all that. So we're gonna add a little bit of saffron, water inside. And then we're gonna add a little bit of cream, and then our plate is finished. Okay, water is boiling. It's time for our salt. All right. Mediterranean Ocean. Unbelievable. The pasta will come perfect. Oh, le pappardelle. Fresh, della mamma, della nonna, le pappardelle. Pappardelle! Le pappardelle! Wonderful, look at this, we're gonna put this pappardelle in there. Oh, the saffron is amazing, guys. We're gonna keep stirring like that. Okay, wow. I'm gonna add a little bit of Parmigiano. My goodness. All right, our pappardelle are ready. Bing, bing, boom, bang. Oh, so saffron, a little bit of sausage, a little bit of Parmigiano, and that's our pappardelle with sausage, leeks, and saffron. Mwah! My goodness. You guys have to try this.